Hey guys, this is Sydney with P&S Detail Products, and I am here today to talk about one of my favorite and most used processes in my shop. So it is going to be the Wash Clay Seal. So we are working on my personal Jeep SRT today, and it is ceramic coated. So we're going to talk about that. It has dust and dirt and water drops all over it. So we are going to reset this ceramic coating. We are going to be using the Reset Clay Towel, the Absolute, and bead maker. So we are going to add some Absolute to our wash bucket and grab our bead maker and our towel and get ready to go. This process is super easy. You are just going to wash a panel at a time, possibly two, and we are going to actually leave the Absolute on the surface. So we're going to leave the surface wet so that we can continue to work on it. And like always, we are going to wash top to bottom, side to side in nice, long, sweeping motions. And I use this process on both ceramic coated cars and cars that are not coated. So if I'm just doing a normal maintenance detail, I will use this process as well because these cars generally are coming in and they're not already coated. So we find that it does not leave any marring or anything that is visible because the cars are not already corrected. So what you're doing is you're decontaminating and sealing the surface so that it is protected from elements. When we get to the clay process, on the wet panel, we are going to spray 5 to 6 sprays of bead maker on that panel, and then you'll use the Reset Clay Towel in nice long motions to decontaminate. And this also helps open the pores of the paint, which will help the bead maker cross-link and last longer. It's going to leave a nice bright shine and get all of the contamination off and leave a super smooth surface. Then you are going to grab your drying towel. I like to use a highly absorbent towel like a Liquidator. You go across the surface and it's going to suck everything up all right in one motion, leaving behind that nice, shiny, clean surface. If you need to go back and touch up a couple areas, you can do window cleaner or paint gloss if you have any streaks or drips left behind, but generally speaking, you're gonna get it all and it just makes it so nice and fast and easy. Only adds a couple minutes to your wash process and the cars look amazing. I hope this helped you learn more about the Wash Clay Seal process. For more videos like this, stay tuned right here at the Rag Company YouTube channel.